In this video, you are going to learn how you can automate your social media accounts. For example, there from the RSS feed of my website, this is getting the URL and generating or summarizing the article and then automatically posting on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. As the result, I can show you my LinkedIn account, and if I can show you, you can see these posts are coming from this automation. As well as if you go here on the Facebook, this post has been coming from this, and if you click on my this page, so you can see there are many other posts that are automatically came from this automation. So this is a very amazing automation, social media automation, that you can use for to automate your social media accounts if you want to increase your social media visibility and want to increase your social clicks on your website or your social media appearance. So this complete scenario I have provided in this video. You can just follow these steps and create this kind of automation exactly. So please keep watching this video and subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you are interested in this video. As the very first step, you need to go here make.com, and here you just need to click on get started for free, and here you can sign up with Google. For example, I click on Google and click on your email, and here click on continue. Select your country here and sign up for free. Here you can just click on other, and here I have used other integrations and only me, for example, and just click on continue. Just click on get started, and here you will see there are three dots, sorry, and here you just need to click on import blueprints and choose file. This file link is provided into the description. You can just download it, and this is social media automation JSON file, and click on save. Now this complete RSS social media automation scenario I have made for you, so I will explain one by one and then we will work on it. So first of all, this is RSS, and here the RSS feed, that the feed from which your post will come, and it will get the data and post on your social media. It will analyze this post and then it will summarize and then it will post on social media. For example, this is the website where from I will get the articles about the IT or technology, and it will summarize the text and then post on the social media. I will let you know how. This is the ChatGPT, and here you just need to create a connection with your ChatGPT. Just click on create connection, and here there is my OpenAI connection, so you can make it social media connection. Okay, you can name it anything, and there you just need to add the OpenAI. So this OpenAI you can get here by clicking on this link. So I'll just click on this link, and here I will just click on create a secret key. So I will name it anything, create a secret key, and copy this key, go back, and here I will paste this key. As well as we need to have organization ID, so I will click on this link. There we can get this organization ID. Before that, I'm going to let you know, you just need to click on billing, and here you just need to have some credits. You can have $1 at least. This is $9, and believe me, I am creating third video with just $1 of the I was top up here $10, and these are just $1 cut off after creating many social media posts. So with $1 you can create almost 30 to 60 posts, believe me. So you just need to top up somehow balance here, $1 or $2 or $5. Okay, so we go back into our topic. So I will just paste here the organization ID and click on save. Now the connection has been done. Okay, So here I'm going to explain something here. I have written here that this will get the URL from this RSS feed and then summarize the article. Okay, so this module will summarize the article. Okay, and there you can see the other thing I have adjusted, so you can adjust according to you, but I recommend you do not touch anything. Okay, now there I have used the router. The router will route first of all here, so just click here, and here you just need to connect your API connection. And here I have written the prompt to create the social media post for LinkedIn. Okay, so here is the LinkedIn. Okay, now I have also created the message, so this will get the summary here and make a social media post. So I hope you understand. It will get the summarized article from this and make a social media post including emojis and so on. So I just click on save, and here just click on this, and here you just need to create a connection with your LinkedIn account. So just click on create, and here you just need to click on LinkedIn. So there you can see my LinkedIn connection, and just click on save. It will connect with your LinkedIn. Now my connection has been done, and here it will write the post on my LinkedIn. Okay, so media type you can say empty, and the visibility should be public, and main feed it should show. Okay, and just click on save. Now if you click here and connect with your API key, this is same just like it will get the article from social media post and make it for the Facebook, and just click on save. And sorry for the Instagram. Okay, and here I was written the Facebook, so I will change it with Instagram. Okay, and click on save. Now this will generate the image for the social media post. It will get the details from the generated Facebook post and make the image, and here we just need to connect our social media account, so it will connect our Instagram, and then we can go to having posts on Instagram. Click on here, you just need to select your page and okay, and click on save. Now your social media Instagram has been connected. You can now lastly, if you click here and connect with our OpenAI connection, which was a social media connection, and here we just created the post for our Facebook, and sorry, here I have to change with the Facebook, and click on save. Now what it will do when we'll run this, it will trigger and post on all our social media accounts. You can add some more triggers. If you want to add some more social media, you can just add a new router, and here you can add your OpenAI connection to generate the data for social media, and then you can connect your another social media. Okay, and here I will just this a link, so this is not linked with that. Okay, now we test it to run this, and let me see is it not connecting with or not. So it's saying that Facebook account is not available. So here I was forget to connect our Facebook account, so I will just connect my Facebook account, and here we just need to select and sign in. Now this is connected, and here it is asking for page, so I will just select my page and click on save. Now I will test it to run it, and just click on run, and it is running, you can see, and it has been posted on LinkedIn and on Instagram. Now it has been posted on Facebook, Instagram, and it also been posted on our LinkedIn. Okay, so we check it one by one. Okay, so we go here on the Facebook page. Is it posted or not? So you can see this has been posted on my Facebook, and you can see this social media post on my PK skills page with the hashtag has been posted. And if we go on LinkedIn, let me check here. You can see just now it has been posted on my LinkedIn as well. You can see this is the post and this is the hashtags has been posted directly on my LinkedIn. So this is how it works, as well as it has been also posted on Instagram. So this is very easy. You can also trigger it, after 30 minutes or 50 minutes of time interval, once a day, every day, or days of the week, days of the month. So if I say it should trigger automatically once a day, so I will just activate the scenario and it will automatically run once a day and post on all social media accounts properly. So this is very easy. You can easily connect it. So here in the RSS, you just need to add the RSS feed. You can also add your own website RSS, and you can also here add the RSS feed of any other website where from this will get the article links, and then it will start posting on your social media accounts automatically. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you have any issue, you can comment below. Maybe there you feel some issues with this ChatGPT image generation, so you can just connect with the make chats boards, or you can connect with them their custom support. They can fix this issue. So if you want to use any other platform instead of ChatGPT, you can use DeepSeek, Google Gemini, and so on. So it is free. If you have any free API provider, you can use here instead of ChatGPT. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like.